Hi, James again from KSTHL Labels. So, how do you attach woven labels to our clothing? So, there have two ways to attach our labels to clothing. So that's depend on the label style. It is the saw labels or iron baking, so that's the difference. Our main operation method of kinetic or for our woven labels is to sew labels on clothing products with needle machines. Also, but if for the iron labels, so which use the hot press to bond our labels on clothing products through high temperature. So that is the two ways can attach our labels to our clothing. So that depends on the labels styles. It is the normal labels or iron baking labels. So that is with difference. But the main just the two styles. Thank you. Bye bye.